Well, why you don't know when stuff wrong with me? How you be knowing what's wrong with the truck?
It's a Mercedes. I don't know nothing.
I'm talking about me as a person.
You ain't no cop.
You don't, what does that have to do with it? You just about to see, I knew. I'm easy.
What's going on, y'all? SCSMO. Back with another one. My alternator went out, man. I just smelt it. I literally smelt the alternator. I was like, something ain't right. And on these trucks, 2007-14 Suburban Tahoe Yukon, they got this active management system inside the PCM to where if the battery is on 100%, it'll stop it from charging. So I was like, it's at 11. So maybe the battery is good. All right, cut the AC on, kept dropping. Let it sit for a minute, got back in the truck. It said service the charging system. So I already knew what it was. I said, yep, my alternator went out. I'm gonna just start it so I can show y'all. Battery load tester right here. This is how you can confirm it. I need you to start your truck. All right, look, check this out before I disconnect the negative post. All right. That crazy thing, man, this truck set for 11 months. The battery sat in the shop and it was still good after one charge. So, see, battery good. All right, start. Not getting nothing. Still be in okay range. All right, cut it out. Did it say service the battery? Charge the system? Oh, no, you ain't gotta do it. I already know it's gonna say it.
You seeing it?
Nope, but it's down though.
Where it's supposed to be?
It's gonna come up right here. Just keep let it run for a minute. Just see. Yeah, there you go.
Yes.
All right, so the negative terminal is off the battery. We have no power. Well, we got power, but no ground. So yeah, I'll take this off. This is a 10 mil, I'm sure. I'm talking about this video. It's a stubby 10. I couldn't find my long 10 ratchet. That's the fan blowing, in case y'all hear that. All right, boom. And yeah, you just disconnect, squeeze, and disconnect that. Let's put this back on here. All right, next we're gonna do the belt. The belt is pretty easy. You just need a 3/8 ratchet. All right, 15 millimeter for the belt tensioner. If you could, well, you could take this intake piece off, but I'm not doing all that. This don't take that long. Boom. That's off. Tensioner went that way. All right, we're gonna put that right there. If you don't take your it's a 15. If you don't take your belt all the way off, you won't have to worry about the routing. So I suggest that you don't take your belt all the way off. Hell, couldn't drive a new trucky truck nowhere.
He said he's talking about his new trucky truck. This thing is not new no more.
It's new to me.
He's gonna be saying his new truck is for two years.
Yeah, nah. Still my new truck. Yeah.
That's all right, babe. If you feel like it's your new truck, it's your
Put
new
it
truck.
in the wrong hands, man. It's set for 11 months. That's so crazy.
Did it for real?
Yes. You know what he seems like? It's set for 11 months.
No, I didn't know. Dang, really? We had that long?
Yeah.
It's all right. It's up and running now.
I want to tell y'all too, for y'all who did an alternator replacement at a shop or something, the minimum they're gonna charge you for is 1 hour, but this literally can take about 10 minutes. If you don't talk, you got some speed tools like a ratchet, electric ratchet and stuff like that. I got all that. It's just a super quick job. Be over with before you know it. But I don't suggest paying for something like this. This is very quick. It'll take you longer to go buy the piece than to put it on.
Would you suggest people like me that don't really know much about cars to do this on them?
All you need is you can get the whole job done with a 3/8 ratchet set. A 3/8 ratchet set and some wrenches. Or you could just use ratchet set for the battery post too, like a little $10 toolkit.
You told him where you got yours from? And the price?
What, the alternator?
Yeah.
You would need a screwdriver, a hammer, or something to pry the alternator out of it. I bought my alternator from Amazon. It was $135 shipped. O'Reilly's, it was like, you're gonna need something to pry this alternator up. O'Reilly was like $225 plus shipping. I mean, sheesh. Plus tax, plus the cord. I just let it sit for 2 days till the part came in. I ain't gonna pay another $100. Got that off.
That was easy.
Alright, when you get your new one, before you put it on, get your hands greasy and all that. You want to sit them side by side. And make sure the connection's the same. You got 2 pin, you got the chrome going on the outside, boom. Alright, connection's the same.
This a brand new one?
Yeah. I pretty much do. I could add that. I'm making a video to how cheap I used to be. I used to buy everything. Why did you put that in there? I used to buy everything refurbished. I don't do that no more. I don't got time for that.
Shoot, everybody, you know. Sometimes you gotta go through that cheap phase. Everybody can't buy everything brand new.
Banging on it. I should drop in a little bit better. 1 second. Alright, right here, y'all look, it's a little crack right here. You could squeeze these and push it in, but we drove this car to Chicago and back. I meant to tell y'all.
Sure did with no problems.
Going like 85 cruise control.
It was like a 10-hour trip.
We left in the light, got there in the light.
Yep.
Left in the light again in the morning, got there in the light.
Yep.
Yeah,
no problems.
Man. Like this. I love the truck. That's why I like it. I love this truck.
We know.
Yeah, this way your speed tubes come in and just torque specs, I don't know. Not really matter.
Yeah, I be telling him when we be going somewhere he have stuff to do, I be like, I'll drive. What you be saying? He like, no.
You good, sis.
I'm like, dude, don't nobody want to drive your truck. I'm just trying to help you.
This thing don't got no system or nothing. The alternator, I smelled it. It's crazy. I said something wrong. I ain't know it's the alternator though. I was like, something wrong.
Now, you got a telepathy with your truck.
I knew. If you got a certain smell, you, like your car, I tell you, you gotta go back to the shop.
Well, why you don't know when stuff wrong with me? How you be knowing what's wrong with the truck?
It's a Mercedes. I don't know nothing.
I'm talking about me as a person.
You ain't no car.
You don't, what does that have to do with it? You about to see, I knew. I'm easy. Talking about, yeah, see, I knew it. But when something wrong with me, he's just in la la land.
Yeah, all I know is something wrong with you. That's all. All right, putting the belt back on. Belt on. Cover back on. All right. We're gonna start this boy. Put the back on.
Say that again.
Put the battery terminal back on. I'm gonna put the tester back on. Show y'all that it is working. I got two cars coming for charging system issues too. Y'all gonna like those cars too. It's pretty simple work. It's just a little time consuming what I'm gonna do to them because of the customer. Y'all gonna find out real soon about that customer. Next week. It's gonna be pretty interesting.
Oh, you didn't tell me you actually got a job.
Oh yeah, they're trying to bring that shit. Yes sir. Oh like nah. Yeah, all right, y'all. So when she started the truck, yeah, it should be at okay once it runs. Yep, and that's how you replace the alternator. Very simple stuff. Very easy, very simple, very quick. For this car though, it's some stuff, some cars you got to take the whole top of the motor apart to get to the alternator. But
Let me cut the AC off.
yeah, you can, but it's already at 14. I already knew what the issue was. As soon as I smelt it and I seen the battery thing come, I said, "Yep, the alternator went out." And this car don't have a system yet either. Y'all know I'm a sound bass head. I'm a bass head. Car don't have no system yet. I'm like, dang, it just went out. Yeah, it might have went out, but yeah, I'm back rolling. Put the boy back in the driveway. Get it out of my work area. I just thought I'd make this quick video for y'all how to replace your alternator very quick in a 2007 to 14. Well, shoot, a 99 to 2000, I think 21. Suburban, Yukon, Silverado, Tahoe, all that. They all the same, man. All the alternators. The pins be different, but it's 2 bolts holding on, 1 connection piece, the activator wire, whatever, and then the charger cable. That's it. Yeah, everything back hooked up, man. Good. SCS, man. I'm out.